Well, for us, it's a win-win situation because the power of association with the U.S. Pavilion and with the U.S. government, by implication, is huge. So from that perspective, we're always very pleased to participate in a U.S. commercial service offering like this. So it's a deal clincher for us, and for us to be associated as such and working with companies that we would like to meet at a show like this is extremely helpful. Schweitzer Engineering Laboratories, or SEL, we do not manufacture or we do not produce one particular technology. So we actually manufacture a range of technologies. But I think if there's one common indicator or factor that binds all of our technologies together, it's quality. So as a US manufacturer, I think the most competitive thing for us is quality. We stand out in the market. That's why we are a household name in the North American market, in particular US, also internationally. So we do not produce something that's replaced by a utility within a couple of years. We manufacture products that go into their system for 25 plus years. So we are very, very competitive when it comes to quality. We manufacture power protection, control, and automation equipment. That equipment goes into substations in Africa, and we have equipment currently in 40 countries in Africa. So that by default is an indication of the success that we have in Africa, and we have been operating in Africa for the last 20 plus years. So we have a very, very good footprint of our products in Africa, lots of success, but obviously we need much more. So for us, it's a situation of utilizing and using our current success to build upon that and to increase our success. We've heard a lot about African utilities behind the curve, right? There's a general saying that goes like they are, from a technology perspective, 2 to 3 years behind countries like Europe and the US. So for them to leapfrog those technologies without going through the challenges and the problems of first-time implementers is huge. And we've seen that time and again from our vantage point and in terms of utilizing high-tech technology with our customers in Africa. So it's a great benefit for them to leapfrog, to use those technologies as they implement their clean tech objectives. We have been working, just a shout out to the commercial service, we've been working with the US commercial service for, I would say, the better part of 8 years now. And across the world, we have been utilizing commercial USCS services in various countries across the globe. And we can just say one thing, which is that it has been an extremely great and profitable collaboration for SEL. And we look forward to another 8 to 10 years of similar successful collaboration. So thank you very much.